Welcome back to our English Teacher YouTube channel. As I have promised you in the previous video, I start now with direct speech into indirect speech, reported speech. Indirect speech, in other words, we call reported speech. Let's see direct speech. Speaker's exact words. Here in direct speech we write speaker's exact words. You know that within inverted commas. I think you know it. Then when we come to indirect speech, we turn direct speech into indirect speech. Then report it. We report this statement, direct speech statement, to someone else. Reporting to someone else what the speaker has said. There's some special things happen, you know what it is, removing inverted commas. When we turn direct speech sentence into indirect speech or reported speech sentence, it is very important to know how the tense is changed. A back shift in the tense. You want to remember all these things, you know, in your mind. This is very important for this lesson. Present tense into past tense. Past tense into past perfect tense. Present perfect tense into past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is not changed, same past perfect tense. Present continuous tense into past continuous tense. Will into would. Shall into should. May into might. Can into could. You remember how the tense is changed. Okay, now let's see some examples. He said, Rama shall come. Rama shall come as given within inverted commas. There you can understand this is a direct speech sentence. Then how can you turn this into indirect speech or reported speech? You want to concern the verb shall. I taught you earlier how this verb is changed into indirect speech. We'll try. He said that Rama shall into should come. This verb is changed and we remove the inverted commas. Okay, let's see next. He said Rama comes. This verb is changed. You know the tense of this? Present tense. How it is changed? Present tense into past tense. Then try this. He said that Rama came. Present tense into past tense. Now look at this. He said Rama is coming. Here present continuous tense. You remember how it is changed? Present continuous tense into past continuous tense. He said that Rama was coming. Okay, now let's see a change in pronouns. Our next step is a change in pronouns. How the pronouns are changed when we turn direct speech sentence into indirect speech. Let's see this example. Rizan said to the girl, I know you and your mother. See this, how it is changed. First you mark the pronoun should be changed. I subject pronoun, object and the possessive. Then this verb also should be changed. Okay, let's see now. Rizan told the girl that. Now from here you want to make the changes. What are the changes you want to make? This subject pronoun, Rizan is a boy, then he. Then no, the present tense verb into past tense verb. Knew. You, her. This girl comes here with the object pronoun her. And her mother. And remove the inverted commas. I think you understood. Rizan told the girl that I becomes he, as this is a boy, Rizan. Then present tense verb into past tense, no, knew. Then this Rizan said to this girl, as this girl, then comes her here and possessive, her mother. Now I discuss with you children a change in time and place. Okay, today, time. Today we turn into that day. Whenever we write an indirect speech, we write that day instead of this word today. Yesterday, the previous day, or the day before. One of these you can use. The previous day or the day before. Last week, the previous week or the week before. Next week, the following week. Tomorrow, the next day or the following day. Here now into then. Here into there. The place here is a place, then that turns into there. This into that. This into those. Ago into before. I think you touch with the changes in time and place. You want to remember all these things to turn direct speech sentence into indirect speech. These changes are very important for you in the future. Okay, let's see further how to turn direct speech sentences into indirect speech or reported speech. And want to highlight the changes taken place in the indirect speech or reported speech sentence. Here, this example, let's take. The teacher said, I am busy now. Okay. What are the words should be changed? I, this verb and this time. The pronoun should be changed. This verb and also this time. Then see, the teacher said that. The teacher, if we think this a boy or a gent, we can say he. The teacher is a lady, you can put here she. Then am, the present tense verb into past tense. Was. Busy, now the time change into then. Now into then. The teacher said that he was busy then. Okay, next example. He said it may rain tomorrow. What are the words should be changed? May. You remember I taught you earlier May into might. Time, this tomorrow, is changed into the following day. Let's try. He said that it might rain tomorrow, the following day. He said that it might rain the following day. Here you see, this is also very important to know. Whenever we write the sentence within the inverted commas, we start with a capital letter. But when you turn this into indirect speech or reported speech, this should be changed into simple. And remove the inverted commas too. Okay, now third example. He said, I met this man 2 days ago. Now highlight the changes taken place in the indirect speech or reported speech sentence. I should be changed. This verb, this ago. Now turn this sentence into indirect speech or reported speech. He said that I into he. Met, past tense. You remember how it is changed? Past tense verb into past perfect. Had met. This into that. That man. 2 days before. And remove the inverted commas. Okay, see again. He said that he had met that man 2 days before. I hope you learn this successfully, and remember the changes should be taken place in the reported speech sentences. Okay then, I'll meet you again in my next video to discuss about reported speech, imperatives and questions. Thanks for watching.